I want to learn any one programming language which should be a beginner friendly programming language. As a beginner, which programming language is the best friendly programming language? So these type of questions rise from many candidates nowadays because there are various programming languages are available in the software industry nowadays. So therefore everyone has confused which one is beginner friendly programming language and which one should I learn as my first programming language. So I'm going to answer for all these queries in this session. So watch till the end of video. So before going to discuss more on this topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well, because I used to upload the great content videos regularly. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start the main topic. What are the best friendly programming languages nowadays? So I am going to tell you the few things before choosing any programming language. First, you have to learn these skills, then you definitely get some interest or excitement to learn new technologies in the software industry. You may learn any programming language, but before learning any programming language, learn these two skills, then you definitely get some excitement and interest towards IT technologies. Those are nothing but learn HTML and CSS, because HTML is the most easiest IT skill in the software industry, and you will get some interest and you will get some excitement as well to learn any new technologies or any new programming language. With the help of HTML, you can build the web applications or websites. After learning HTML, better to learn CSS concept as well. So with this combination, you will make some beautiful websites as well. So after getting some knowledge on HTML and CSS, and you will get some self-confidence as well to learn any new programming language. Now I am going to introduce the main concept. What are the most beginner friendly programming languages to learn? First programming languages I am going to recommend might be a computer science background candidate or non computer science background candidate. So you can select Python programming language. It is one of the most easiest programming languages in the worldwide. So therefore I am saying Python is the one of the most beginner friendly programming language irrespective of your education background. And second one is JavaScript. So JavaScript also is one of the most beginner friendly programming language. You can learn easily. So if you know Python concepts, then to learn JavaScript, it is very easy, very easy. So as a beginner, you can easily understand the concepts and you can easily learn the JavaScript concept. So therefore, JavaScript is one of the most beginner friendly programming languages. And the third programming language, that is nothing but Java programming language. Java programming language also one of the best friendly programming language for beginners. The most highly used programming language to develop their projects or to develop the web application, to develop mobile applications. In the worldwide, most of the projects are going to handle by using these programming languages: Python, JavaScript, and Java. Suppose if you are a non-computer science background candidate, then I highly recommend you first to learn the basics of programming language. You can select a C programming language. So don't cover all the topics in the C programming language. You just cover up to arrays concept or functions concept. Okay, so those concepts, those topics are enough to understand the basics of a programming concept, to understand the syntax. So if you are from non-computer science background candidate, then learn C programming language up to arrays concept or functions. Then try to learn any one programming language. All are beginner friendly programming language like Python or JavaScript or Java programming language. The best friendly programming language to learn in the software industry. Okay, so please comment what is your best friendly programming language, either Python or JavaScript or Java or any other programming language. So that's all guys, man. So if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to share to your friends as well, and also don't forget hit the like button as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.